From Germany. Are the turban and jubba Islamic garments?
Hazrat, she said this question is from Germany. She would like to know, is the turban and the jubba, the dress which people wear in many Arab countries, are they
Islamic garments?
Are they Islamic garments? Oh, I should say this in Arabic, I'm lost.
You see, Islam is universal. So Islamic garments have to be universal. Whichever country one belongs to, he wears a garment which is worn traditionally by the people of that country. So all garments, if they have the central feature of Islamic garments, that's the libas taqwa. They are Islamic garments. So whether you wear a coat, pant, top, whatever you wear, if you are dressed properly in a decent way, so that you appear to be muttaqi, where you walk in that dress, that is Islamic garment. So there is no garment as such as Islamic. Because the Arabs have a traditional garment, they should wear that garment, but not with pride, with humility. So, because taqwa and pride do not go together. So in that way, if a man is wearing a garment with taqwa and cares to hide himself properly, he is wearing an Islamic garment, right?